Hi everyone, welcome to your channel Impulse Tech. I am Yogesh Bhavne. So today I come up with a new video which is based upon that how you can able to create 4 to 20 milliampere current source on your own. Now what is the use of 4 to 20 milliampere current source and why we are creating it? As we all are using analog input and output in Arduino, but that analog output is based upon 0 to 5 volt varying voltage. But if you see in actual industry, this analog input or output is not used. But in industries, we are using 4 to 20 milliampere as an analog input or output with PLCs or variable frequency drives or many other devices. So in industries, we use two kind of analog input output signals. One is current and one is voltage. So current, we are using 4 to 20 milliampere current source, or you can say 0 to 20 milliampere. And in voltage, we are using 0 to 10 volt as an analog input or output. So that's why I'm trying to create here 4 to 20 milliampere current source in tinkercad circuit. Now I'm going to use this 4 to 20 milliampere analog input in my upcoming IoT based video. So let's get started. So for creating this 4 to 20 milliampere current source, you need power supply. Directly search for power supply. So you will get power supply here. Yes. So this is the power supply. And you need voltmeter and you need ammeter. Just search for the ammeter. So this is the multimeter. Here you can able to measure current, voltage, resistance. And also we need one more component, that is potentiometer, and one more component, that is resistor. So this is the power supply which has voltage of 5 and current is 5. So what I'll do, in industries we won't use 5 volt. In industries we mainly use 24 volt DC supply. So what I'll write 24 volt DC supply and current should be the same. So this becomes your SMPS, switch mode power supply. Now, so this is the potentiometer. So select the value to 4.8 kilo ohm. Now why I have selected 4.8 kilo ohm? Now we need to use the Ohm's law to calculate that how we can able to get currents from 4 to 20 milliampere range. So just do the basic calculation of I is equal to V by R, then you will come to know that how I am getting the 4 to 20 milliampere. And if you don't understood, just let me know inside the comment section. Now, so what I'll do, I'll just connect this terminal 1 to the ground. Let's change this color to black. Now also the negative terminal of the multimeter is connected to the ground. Now I have taken this resistor. Now connect this resistor to the terminal 2 and select its value to 1.2 kilo ohm. Now again, why I have selected 1.2? We need to calculate it using the Ohm's law. Now connect the positive of the power supply to the resistor one end. Okay, so now we have done with the power supply connection. Now this is the wiper output. Now this is the output of the potentiometer. Let's connect it to the positive of the multimeter. So we have done with the connection. Now let's click on start simulation and let's see that we are able to getting the current from 4 to 20 milliampere or not. So let's click on ampere here. Now you can see the current is 4 milliampere, so which is the lowest one. And if I start increasing, so you can see you are getting varying milliampere, which is in between 4 to 20 milliampere. So in my next video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create this practical circuit and I'm going to use this with the ESP32 and we will monitor it on the IoT platform. So if you found this video helpful, then do subscribe the channel and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.